Our oldest and largest funded philanthropic program is Operation School Bell. We clothe in-need children from 15 school districts in the county who have been referred to us after being identified by school personnel. This past school year, we clothed over 4,500 kids.
We've had students participating from preschool to elementary, to middle school to high school. We have students from 26 schools involved, and I believe the Assistance League has helped us to the tune of about $182,000 over the past year with this program.
When students arrive, they are greeted by a warm, friendly shopping guide who takes the children around and allows them to select 3 complete wardrobes from head to toe. Additionally, they receive a sweatshirt hoodie, a winter jacket, hat, gloves, scarf, a week's worth of underwear and socks, and a hygiene kit. The need that these children have in our area is growing exponentially, faster than we can keep up with.
You know, in Everett Public Schools, 2 of 5 kids faces poverty. A program like this helps kids who don't have new clothing fit in. It makes a huge difference in how they relate to peers and how they feel about themselves.
It's important because we want children to attend school feeling better about themselves, because we want them to have a good education and so that they will someday become productive, self-sufficient adults. I feel that that not only helps them, but it helps our entire community.
This program is really essential in helping kids normalize a life that's otherwise impacted by need, incredible need that faces them on a daily basis. Operation School Bell helps kids be successful in school. It helps us in the work that we do, and we're very, very grateful for Operation School Bell support.
Assistance League of Everett provides a perfect, efficient, and effective framework for a community to help itself. No government involvement, no increase in taxes, just members of a generous community getting together to provide for the needs of those who temporarily are unable to provide for themselves. An organization that does all that is amazing. It just doesn't get any better than that.